इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलायचं, खंडे उडवायचे, मोठमोठे लेक्चर द्यायचे. अरे कशाला, काय चाललंय हे बघा रे देशामध्ये. इट इज वास्ट अँड स्कॅटर्ड. either you can discuss 120 crore issues or discuss the good thing which are happening in this country, because it's a 120 crore देश. अहो मला सांगा, ऑस्ट्रेलियाची लोकसंख्या किती हो? 1,50,00,000.
मुंबई.
ह्या देशात दरवर्षी 1.5 कोटी पोरं जन्माला येतात. म्हणजे एव्हरी इयर वी आर प्रोड्युसिंग 1 ऑस्ट्रेलियन. सो उगाच गडबड आणि शांतपणा करून उपयोग नाही. डेफिनेटली वी आर चेंजिंग. Definitely we are going to change, and by 2020 the entire India will be literate. That doesn't mean he and she will write an essay, but he and she will understand what is good and bad. आणि तिथनं वेगळा एका पिढीला क्रश व्हावं लागतं. आपण क्रश होतोय फ्रेंड, आपण क्रश होतोय. Because 93 to this 20 years it is changing in a big way, huge. When everybody will now see this election. I am not talking about Modi. हा शर्ट घातला पण मोदी बोलता येणार नाही मला. Think that go now you just, जरी तुमचा पॉलिटिक्सशी संबंध नसला, just read the result of UP. In UP it is always caste, always a problem, but this time there was no caste. They voted for something different. So this is a change. It's a change, friend. But आम्हाला आत्ताच्या आत्ता पाहिजे ते, म्हणजे 2 मिनिट्स टाकलं त्यात की खाऊन मोकळा, ते ढेकर द्यायला मोकळा द्यायचं. So we have to change, friend. So it is changing. So positive things, communication. As I told you, Doordarshan is reaching to 92% population of India. Satellite TV is reaching to 55% population of India. The minute you are looking at any good communication or a bad communication, they are also looking at it. Minimum support price, government spending, Panchayat Raj, all good things. In next 10 years, कोणी entrepreneur असं ते वाक्य लक्षात ठेवा. In next 10 years in this country, only on infrastructure, 50 lakh crore rupees is going to spend. 50 lakh koti rupai is going to spend on infrastructure in this country. See, can I take a pie of that as an entrepreneur? Another example. Every year in this country, oral care advertisement, they spend 250 crore rupees. Every year. Can I take a pie of that? Out of 100 people doesn't know scientifically दात किती मिनिटं घासायची. माहित नाही आपल्याला. कुठनं तरी ती काहीतरी काय पिती, इकडनं जो सैफ अली खान येतो आणि जाहिरात चालते ना, आपण पण खेक्या फेक्या करत बघतो ते. वी डोंट बॉदर. दात कसे घासायचे माहिती का कुणाला, किती मिनिटं घासायचे नाही माहिती. बट वी स्पेंड 250 crore rupees. Can I take a pie of that? So there are a lot of opportunities in this country. Only we talk about IT. Sorry, हे सचमुच आहे. आपण IT किती लोकांना देणार आहे? 2% ऑफ दिस कंट्री. साहेब सांगतील, पोतीस साहेब सांगतील, इन्फोसिस वाले 3%, 4%. बाकीचं करायचं काय? IT खाता येणार नाही ना, कुठेतरी प्रोड्यूस करायला लागेल ना काहीतरी, भाजी चपात्या करायला. सो माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज, जेव्हा आपण व्हेनेवर वी ईट, अगर वी थिंक ऑफ दिस फार्मर, इंडिया विल बी चेंज. India will be changed.
Hi Pradeep.
Hi.
My name is Rahul. So I just wanted to ask you one basic question. I think everybody has flocked from some of the places and come down to Pune or Mumbai, like you. And I'm very sure that you will not put your daughter back to Y to study. So my...
No, I am a hypocrite. I know that. I am 100% hypocrite, and I will tell you how.
Yes. So
I will tell you first I will tell you all of you. I always say, I have a daughter, yes.
So my question, I just...
No, let me complete this.
Okay, fine.
Because I am a hypocrite. Let me complete this. Please, I will answer your question.
No, I have not asked yet.
No. But I know. I'll just... For an example, anybody of us, इथं जर कोणी डॉक्टर, वकील आणि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट असेल तर त्याने वाईट वाटून घेऊ नका. In your life, have you ever fought with a doctor, chartered accountant or an advocate? Never. But with whom we fight every day? Kuli, bhajiwala, rickshawala. They are not professionals. They are also professionals. And how I am hypocrite? Tomorrow, if my daughter comes and tells me, मी एका चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट बरोबर लग्न करणार की माझी कॉलर टाईट, माझ्या पोरीने चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट पकडणार. But if she comes to me and tells me, I am going to marry a mason, because I am a hypocrite, and if she says me, he is earning ₹1 lakh a month, but even though, because of this society, I will say, नाही बाबा, मेसन बरोबर नाही तू लग्न करायचं, because I am a hypocrite. मी खोटारडा आहे हे मी मान्य करतो. आणि या देशात आपण बरेच खोटारडे आहेत, फक्त मान्य करत नाही. Your question.
My question is different.
No, no, but good that I have talked about this.
Not about
It is a good appointment. I always talk from every platform. It's very important to everybody.
Yeah, nice to hear from you. So my question is, if you could see, there are a lot of engineer colleges which are closing down.
Yes.
And I think my friend who's sitting there is from Infosys. Nearly 70-80% of the people who come down are from the rural districts. They flock down to Bangalore, Pune or so, and then they have a 3 months training and take it up. So my question is now, if is it possible, have you made any data analysis of some districts on the demand based and the need based of the engineering real quality? Because I come from, I am brought up in Solapur, and people flock down when they say Pune. If they have the colleges might be least important, but they say let me go and study there because it will help me whatever the other things are there. So we are looking into that scenario, and we are trying to build an international institute at our place. So what my question is, do you have a data? Do you have a data which talks about the people's perception basically for the rural districts like Marathwada, Solapur or something, where the people want to stay back, and if provided with the quality education, the best like a mini IITs or something, are people able to come there? Because that's a business model and a social business model what we are looking at. Can you help out with an answer for that?
Yeah, I don't have a very specific answer, but let me tell you. One good thing which is happening in this country is the reverse migration. A lot of people are going back to square one, and that square one is agriculture. It's a good thing which is happening, and I can elaborate on that, but not now. You can write to me or some other day. What is happening is, previously in rural India, if you are from a good family, the aim of that family is माझ्या मुलाला फौजदार करणार किंवा आमदार करणार. That was the aim. After that, a government job was a hit in rural India. Now, they have started realizing if he has a two sons, he'll see to that one will do the agriculture and one will do some other work in that area, entrepreneurship. Education, the biggest problem is, I can show you few advertisements 10-12 years back saying that Shivaji Universityच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी apply करू नका. It's a problem in this country. It's a problem in this country. And the answer of these so-called intellectual people of this town is, नदीच्या इकडे सगळे हुशार राहतात. Is, you don't have good teachers there, you don't have a good infrastructure there, you don't have a good industry there, so you cannot create good candidates there. This is what I have heard across the country. Across the country. So the answer is not that easy, friend. You have to create, like in Kolhapur, that one KIT, no? Doing fantastic. Because people like you have gone back there and they have created that institute. And it is not any politician or any just money-making machine. And they are doing fantastic. So accordingly, just go and study that. It is amazing. You can do. Like for an example, in Solapur, there is a medical college. In Solapur, there is a medical college? Government medical college. So it was good previously. After BG Medical, that was a really very good medical college. That's what I have heard. So you have to create your brand. Don't every time depend on the government kaitari karela. No. Nobody, because everybody is in competition. Everybody wants to push their thing. So you have to work on your, create few good success story of Solapur and people will adapt.
No, we have developed that. I am myself from London School of Economics. So I am just asking you a question that we are looking in terms of funding now. We are looking in terms of funding for the infrastructure. We have our own land, we have got the money and put up there. But how to get the funding for the infrastructure? Remaining, we have all the things ready for us. We are all IITs and IIM people there. We want to come back.
Talk to one Mr. Deshmukh there. You know, Lokmanya Subhash Deshmukh. The other day I was with him. He's doing a fantastic job. Talk to him. No, you have to give some credit to him also. But he's a success story. He's a huge success story. You know that, no?
Yeah.
You have to take help of some like Subhash Deshmukh or there are a lot of people.